Ka election badang shudapshan jang ka district council ha Khasi Hills bat Jaintia Hills kala yoklum ya ka jingken jang ki nongwan Thep ward ka balong nyo po ar point sausan na ka shispa ha ki HADC bat prapo ar point nyo lai na ka shispa ha GHADC ka jing Thep ward kala long ka bayat bet yat renti wat lada ladon ka jing kolmar ba malumala ki bakan thop ya ka jing sha thombor ha ki polling station bat ka jing pra ya ki EVM ha artali ki constituency ka GHADC kani ka election kala sakhi ya kecil kun jong alspa nyopo arngut ki kartong na kabenta ki syuki ha Kaba shispa san prangut ki kartong ki yakun ha ki HADC bat shispa khat sangut ha GHADC ka nong spung so yong kala yo chingken ka babuntam ki nong wan Thep vote ka balong prapo rio point not nyo na ka shispa kat ba ka cirang kala long ka constituency ka baduna tam kata san pawai point sound rio na ka shispa ka election GHADC ru kalamat ikijing penkulmar ki patba bat kaching pendu ikikor EVM ha artali ki constituency katkum kaching ajing tip jong u district council affairs
in the Khasi Hills autonomous
several we di ding do
parties are all have left their polling stations and are on their way to the receiving stations. Some of them have also arrived at the receiving centers. So in the Khasi Hills autonomous district council in all the districts there was no report of any incidents of violence or any issues. The poll was conducted peacefully in all the Khasi Hills districts. So the district administration is taking due care. There is no report of any injury to anyone. All people are safe, except that the EVM has been damaged. So on account of the EVM being damaged, we have ordered a repoll.